Setting up Google Drive on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Google Drive on your iPhone quickly and easily. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, head over to the App Store on your iPhone. Tap the search icon at the bottom right and type in Google Drive. You can search for the full name or just Drive, and it should come right up. Look for the official app by Google LLC, then tap the Get button. It's completely free to download, and once you tap it, you'll need to authenticate using Face ID or Touch ID, depending on your settings. Once it's done installing, you can tap Open directly or find the app icon on your home screen. The first time you launch Google Drive, it'll prompt you to sign in with your Google account. Just hit Sign In, Continue, and enter your Google login info. After that, you're all set. You'll land on the home screen of Google Drive, where you can browse files, open folders, and upload documents. Tap the menu to explore settings like notifications, storage, and more. You can even create new folders or upload photos and files right from your iPhone. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips. See you in the next one.